And now, news. Correct news on Top Correct FM. News sharp on Top Correct FM.
The Oga of the Enugu field office of UNICEF, Dr. Ibrahim Conte, don't raise alarm say them still dey circumcise women for some parts of the world. He said the campaign with them do for 2018 should say at least 17 countries still dey run am for the world. He said for Nigeria here, states like Ebonyi, Ekiti, Osun, Lagos, Oyo, na im dey run am the most. The Police Service Commission don't approve redeployment of 37 police commissioners for the 36 states and Abuja. The Acting Inspector General of Police, Mohammed Adamu, been recommend the redeployment for the police commissioners give the Police Service Commission just after President Muhammadu Buhari appoint him. The talk person for the PLC, Ikechukwu Ani, talk am for one statement where the commission approved for the redeployment of the officers for Abuja on Thursday. They also talk say them expect the police commissioners to go their new post sharply just before election starts. The crisis waiting for the Allied Congress Party of Nigeria don't increase as some leaders of the party begin kick against the decision with the national chairman of the party, Gani Galadima, as he pledged in support to President Muhammadu Buhari of the All Progressive Congress (APC) for the February 16th presidential election. The people who signed the statement are Chief Angus Uzomaka, chairman of the Southeast Zone, Chief Ike Okagbo, and the Assistant Director General of Southeast Campaign (FUA) Nwanebu. The leaders of the party talk to them support the former presidential candidate of the party, Dr. Obiageli Ezekwesili, and them accuse the party leadership of greed.
News sharp from Obodoyibo.
Government lawyers they accuse 6 senior police officers say they no do their job will lead to the stoning of Uganda President Yoweri Museveni car for the northwest town for Ora for August for last year. The lawyers for the government tell the court say the officers no send security agents we can't make people fit gather stone the president convoy. At least 2 people die and 6 wound for one 8-story building wey fall for Istanbul for Turkey. Istanbul governor tell 3 people for the site say 43 people na already registered for the building, but say them build the top 3 floors illegally. He also talk say one Texas shop wey dey for the ground floor dey run without license. Emergency teams come out at least 3 people wey still dey alive and then block the road wey dey lead to the building.
News sharp on Top Sports Waka.
News where they come from the NBA and say New Orleans Pelicans no gree play Anthony Davis on Wednesday night for their game against Chicago Bulls. Davis put in for transfer request and he don't miss the last 8 matches because of wound winning get for a middle finger. But that no be the reason we make Pelicans no gree play him, as the club coach Alvin Gentry talk say Davis they available to play, but say they no go play him until after the trade deadline pass.
News sharp on Top
Correct FM. If you no hear I'm on Top Correct FM,
it don't happen at all.
Make you check again if it don't happen.